The 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome is a true masterpiece in the world of luxury RVs, delivering an exceptional blend of automotive engineering, premium craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. Designed for travelers who demand the very best in performance, comfort, and style, this motorhome stands as one of the most luxurious and advanced recreational vehicles of its time. The exterior design immediately commands attention with its sleek aerodynamic silhouette finished in a high-gloss pearl white paint that radiates elegance under any light. At the front, the bold Mercedes Benz grille is flanked by sharp LED headlamps with signature daytime running lights, while large panoramic windows wrap around the sides to create a light-filled cabin and an unmistakably premium road presence. The streamlined body lines not only enhance aesthetics but also improve aerodynamics, contributing to better fuel efficiency and a quieter ride. Beneath the beautiful exterior lies a highly capable powertrain engineered by Mercedes-Benz to provide smooth acceleration, excellent torque for hauling, and refined fuel efficiency for long-distance travel. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome offers advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system to make driving and parking this large vehicle effortless and safe. An adaptive air suspension system further enhances the driving experience, ensuring stability at high speeds and a cushioned ride over varying road surfaces. Step inside, and the interior instantly redefines what a luxury motorhome can be. Every surface is finished with the finest materials, including hand-stitched leather, polished wood veneers, brushed aluminum, and ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted to set the perfect mood. The living area features plush captain's chairs that swivel and recline, paired with a spacious lounge equipped with a high-definition entertainment display and a premium surround sound system for a true home theater experience on the road. The fully equipped kitchen is designed for gourmet cooking, with high-end appliances such as an induction cooktop, convection oven, large stainless steel refrigerator, and elegant stone countertops. Soft close cabinetry offers generous storage space, while a built-in coffee and espresso station adds a touch of everyday indulgence. The dining area is both functional and stylish, providing a comfortable place to enjoy meals while taking in panoramic views through the expansive side windows. Moving toward the rear, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome offers a private bedroom suite that feels like a luxury hotel. A king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress is dressed in high thread count linens, while the leather-upholstered headboard and soft ambient lighting create an inviting space to unwind. Wardrobes feature integrated lighting in multiple storage compartments, while bedside USB ports and wireless charging pads keep devices powered. The bedroom also includes a large smart TV for entertainment and panoramic smart glass windows that can instantly switch from transparent to opaque for privacy. The ensuite bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head, a marble vanity with high-end fixtures, heated flooring, and a backlit mirror for a spa-like atmosphere. Technology plays a central role in the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. The driver's cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster paired with a large central infotainment touchscreen that offers navigation, smartphone connectivity, and voice control. Mercedes-Benz's intelligent control system allows owners to manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and even the vehicle's security systems. From either the dashboard or a connected smartphone app, integrated satellite internet keeps passengers connected no matter where they travel, while strategically placed charging ports and wireless charging pads throughout the cabin ensure modern convenience. Exterior storage is ample and intelligently designed, with powered compartment doors for easy access to camping gear, bicycles, or additional luggage. Solar panels on the roof provide supplemental power to reduce generator usage, and the onboard water and waste systems feature digital monitoring for maximum efficiency. On the road, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome offers an unmatched driving experience for a vehicle of its size. The air suspension smooths out imperfections in the road, while the quiet cabin allows for relaxed conversations and immersive entertainment. The elevated driving position offers excellent visibility, and all controls are intuitively placed for ease of use. With its blend of performance, comfort, and innovation, this motorhome is equally at home cruising down open highways or navigating through scenic mountain roads. Mercedes Benz has ensured that long journeys are not only comfortable but also incredibly safe, thanks to the integration of advanced safety systems and precision German engineering. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome is more than just a way to travel, it is a statement of luxury and freedom. Every element, from the exterior design to the smallest interior detail, has been meticulously crafted to deliver an unparalleled experience on the road. Whether you are an adventurous couple seeking to explore the world in style, a family looking for the ultimate road trip companion, or a luxury enthusiast who demands the very best, this motorhome delivers on every front. It is a true fusion of Mercedes-Benz's heritage of quality and innovation with the needs of modern travelers who expect comfort, convenience, and sophistication in every mile. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, including its full specifications,